Okay, Mariah, here, I'm going to share this calculator with you. I think without a graphing calculator, some of these questions are going to be pretty tough to answer. So here's what I've done. I went to the test and I looked at one of the questions. So here was the table and it said, which of the following is the regression for this table here? So notice real quick the points before I flip over. It's 4, 8, 12, 16. So what I did is I typed that table into Desmos here. There's the 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. And you can go in here and edit this list to change the problem. I'm going to give you a couple more problems. So you can come in here and change the values. And then those values show up on the screen over here. Let's notice real quick. Let's just practice one. Here's 820. If I change this 20 to a 40, you can see that point pop up to 840. So here's 820. He's back in his spot. And then we get your job is to look at that data. I'm going to make the screen bigger. And then choose a regression model. So I've put 3 regression models in here. You can click this button and see, is the data linear? Well, that's pretty good. It goes through the data okay. We can also turn on quadratic. This is a quadratic model. So I'm clicking this guy. And wow, he seems to fit a lot better than linear did. And if you look at the R squared values, the R squared values are a lot closer to 1 here than they are here. And closer to 1 means a better correlation. So I'm going to turn off the line. Look at the graph of the quadratic fits almost exactly. And then I'm going to turn the exponential on just to see it. But it doesn't do as good a job because it doesn't even hit those top 2 points. So I'm going back to the quadratic. And now notice my model, ax squared plus bx plus c. If I put this number in for a, negative 0.33, this number in for b, negative 0.23, and this number in for c, 44, I'll get a quadratic that fits the data points. And so look, those numbers are the numbers that are in choice A. Negative 0.33, that's from here. Negative 0.23, and then 44. So the answer choice for this guy is A. So I'm going to send you 2 problems. And I want you to plug the data into the calculator here in Desmos. I'm going to give you this link also. And you click through a couple of these choices and see if you can't pick out which of the regression models fits best.